Hello, today we will guide you through how to download Sierra Chart on laptop and PC. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can confidently get the Sierra Chart installer onto your Windows computer. You won't need anything fancy, just an internet connection and your preferred web browser. Begin by opening any web browser on your laptop or desktop computer. Give it a moment to load fully so search suggestions and results appear properly. In the search bar, type Sierra Chart. Make sure it's spelled correctly to avoid unrelated results. Press Enter, and you should see the official website among the top search results. Next, click the official Sierra Chart website. You can recognize it by its domain, which includes sierrachart.com, and a secure connection indicator in your browser's address bar. This helps ensure you're downloading software directly from the source, which is important for both security and reliability. Once the home page is open, look for the Getting Started section. This is typically visible in the main navigation menu or near the top of the page. If the site layout has changed, don't worry. Use the Sites menu or search feature to locate Getting Started. This area is designed to help new users find the essentials quickly, including downloads and introductory information. Inside Getting Started, find and click on Software Download. This is where Sierra Chart provides the installer for Windows systems. The process is the same whether you're on a laptop or a desktop PC. Note that Sierra Chart is designed for Windows, so if you're using another operating system, refer to Sierra Chart's documentation for guidance before proceeding. On the software download page, look for the download button and click it. If multiple versions are listed, choose the most recent stable release and select the 64-bit version if your system supports it, as that's standard on most modern computers. Your browser may ask where to save the file. Choosing your Downloads folder keeps it easy to find later. The installer file will begin downloading. Depending on your connection speed, this may take a few moments. If your browser shows a security prompt, verify that the file comes from sierrachart.com and allow the download to continue. That's it. You've successfully downloaded Sierra Chart. If the download doesn't start, refresh the page and try again, or check your internet connection. In the next part of your setup, you'll run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. But for now, you're all set with the download. Thanks for following along.